You know, it's just fun.
Oh,
okay, I was like, it's not
I live in a house of girls. Whoa!
The epic battle between Derek and Ariana. Oh my god.
Abusive much? Oh, the pink pen beats it all.
No, it's pink. That's even worse.
The Pink Ranger.
The Pink Ranger is my favorite Power Ranger.
I like the yellow one. She's just all sweet.
And there she goes. She got hurt. Poor Ariane.
Go Power Ranger.
It's on my phone.
What goes on in drama, man?
Yeah, we got so much stuff.
And then there's people on stage. Yeah! Okay.